Buying a treadmill sounds easy, until you realize half of them feel shaky, loud, or annoying to use after the first week. The best treadmill depends on what you're actually doing: serious running, daily walking, or under-desk steps while you work. Here are the treadmills that make the most sense in 2026. NordicTrack Commercial Series. This is the home gym treadmill. If you want the closest thing to a premium gym treadmill at home, the Commercial Series is built for that. The big features are incline and decline, which seriously change workouts. Incline for burning more calories and building legs. Decline for training control and different muscle loading. The deck is usually larger and more stable than budget treadmills, which matters for running, and because you don't feel like you're landing on a thin board. Speed range is strong for runners, and the cushioning is designed to reduce impact. The big thing to know is the iFit ecosystem. The treadmill is basically designed around iFit workouts, and some features/content are locked behind that membership. If you love guided workouts, structured training plans, and you want your treadmill to feel interactive, you'll enjoy it. If you hate subscriptions, you'll want to think about that before buying. BowFlex Treadmill Series. BowFlex treadmills are a great pick for people who want a solid treadmill without feeling forced into one specific ecosystem. In real use, these tend to be easy to live with: stable frame, decent running feel, and straightforward controls. They're great for people who want to do their own workouts, walk, jog, intervals, without needing a trainer video telling them what to do. Many BowFlex models also focus on space saving and foldability, which is helpful if your treadmill lives in a bedroom or apartment. If you want a reliable treadmill for walking and running with a simpler experience, BowFlex is a strong option. NordicTrack T Series. The T Series is the more budget-friendly NordicTrack line. You still get the NordicTrack feel, usually with decent cushioning and incline options, but the build and features are more mainstream than the commercial models. This is great for people who want guided training and the NordicTrack experience without paying for the premium build. It's a solid choice for beginners, casual runners, and home users who want steady workouts and occasional incline sessions. Same iFit note applies here too. It's designed to pair with iFit for the full experience. Sperax Walking Treadmill Pad. This is for people who want steps without turning their home into a gym. It's a walking pad style treadmill, so it's meant for walking, light jogging, and under-desk use. The big benefits are compact size, portability, and low noise. If you work from home and want to hit 8,000 to 12,000 steps without scheduling a workout, this is the cheat code. The app control and remote make it easy to adjust speed while working, and the low-profile design means you can slide it under a bed or couch when you're done. This isn't for serious running, but for daily walking and staying active while working, it's a super practical choice. KASSADIN Walking Pad with handlebar. This is the walking pad for people who want something more sturdy and feature-packed. The handlebar makes it feel more secure, especially if you're walking faster or want support. It also adds incline, which is huge because incline walking burns more calories without needing running speeds. The speed range covers casual walking and brisk walking, and the higher weight capacity is a big deal for stability. This is a great pick for small homes, where you want a compact treadmill but still want a more real treadmill feel compared to flat walking pads. It's still not a full running treadmill, but for walking workouts and incline sessions, it's a strong option. If you want a premium running treadmill with incline and decline, NordicTrack Commercial is the home gym pick. Just remember the iFit subscription angle. If you want a solid treadmill without that ecosystem feel, BowFlex is a great alternative. For a more affordable NordicTrack experience, the T Series is the value choice. And if your goal is daily steps while working, Sperax is the compact budget walking pad, while KASSADIN is the more sturdy incline walking pad.